Hello and good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we dive into today's tutorial, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. In this episode, I'll show you how to model an RCC ramp in robot structural analysis. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating the axis system. First, we need to define the axis system: X direction, 6 meters, Y direction, 10 meters, Z direction, vertical, 4 meters. Step 2, modeling the RCC walls. Next, I switch to 3D view and model the RCC walls. Step 3, adding the RCC slab. Now, I go to Geometry, Cladding, and create a rectangular cladding. Then I change the cladding to RCC concrete by selecting 250 millimeter concrete from the section properties. Step 4, splitting the wall. To cut the wall, I use Cut by Plane. 1. Select both walls. 2. Define the split from the top level to the bottom. 3. Click Apply and delete the top portion of the wall. Now the ramp structure is modeled. Now I rotate the view to check, and everything looks fine. Step 5. Applying supports. Next, I switch off the axis display and apply pin supports at the slope's base. Step 6. Meshing the model. Before running the analysis, I generate the mesh by defining the surface. First, I create the initial mesh. Then, I refine the mesh by adjusting the size to 0.5 meters. Step 7. Running the analysis. Finally, I run the structural analysis to check the deflection. The total deflection is approximately 1 millimeter, confirming our model is correct. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.